So here I am. I've opened up Visual Studio Code and I've got Lesson 4 opened up and the files in there, but I have no way by default in Visual Studio Code, or VS Code as most people call it, we have no way to open up the file in a browser directly, which is often while you're working with HTML code, you want to be able to look at that. So to do this, I'm going to have to add an extension to my VS Code environment. Go over here to my extensions icon, click on that, and I'm going to do an open in browser search, and I see that's immediately there. I can just click on that and take a quick look at some of the features and that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and install that, and unlike some of these extensions, this is a really quick one to install. So once it's installed, I'm going to close that, back out of the extensions item, go back to my files, and now if I go ahead and open in default browser on my system here, that is going to go to my Google Chrome environment. Let me see if I can just get this window isolated. There we go. And there's the file in the window, all good to go. So this makes it a lot easier when you're working with HTML and want to check to see that everything is working as you think it should. And that's all there is to installing an extension in Visual Studio.